Jackie, and this summer I had the opportunity to intern at Under Armour in Baltimore, Maryland as an America's Planning intern. And basically, what that means is I spent a lot of time looking at Excel and specifically at sales data from 2021 to 2023 to determine any pricing gaps and loss of sales, to determine how we can gain those sales back and create a new premium pricing image that Under Armour is going for. And I was able to get this internship after applying in LinkedIn around November. And I had two interviews in January and I accepted in late February. And I would say my favorite part was just meeting the other interns. We became a really close knit group of people and a group that I'm definitely looking forward to staying connected with in the future. And I would say one of the most important things I learned is definitely just keeping an open mind, especially if you're not necessarily sure what you want to do or if you don't like what you're doing right now. Use that as a learning experience and let that guide you towards what you want to do in the future and where you may actually be interested in. And I think that's also the piece of advice I would give is just keeping that open mind and learning wherever you can.